Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. I'm the creator, owner, and maker of Creations by Eliza D. And today I want to share with you how I install fonts and use fonts on Cricut Design Space on my iPad. So I will walk you through it right now. So you are going to want to go to the App Store. And on search, I'm already here. You're going to want to type in iFont and then click iFont. I already have it downloaded, so you're just going to want to install it and download it and do all that. So I'm going to open it. I am going to now import the fonts that I want to be installed. So we're just going to install the ones that I think are pretty cute, and I'm going to use them a lot more than all of these. So I'm going to install both of these. I'm going to do how to install multiple fonts. You're going to have to do them one by one. I don't know of a quicker way. Maybe if you purchase the premium, but I like to keep things cheap and free. So one by one, hit import again. I'm going to hit the script. All of the fonts that I'm using today will be linked below. It is an affiliate link, so if you click on it, I do get a small commission. I'm just disclosing that now. So we have the Alexia Bright. I'm now going to search for the ones that I use the most, and I'm only going to install 4. Not sure why the cap locks are on, but they are. So we're going to do the Autumn and November. I think that's a really cute font. And then hit import again and do I Love Glitter. I love this font. Glitter, not font. I love this font. It is so cute. You can use it on anything. And I love the little swooshes. So now we are going to install them on our iPads. So this is the quick way to do it. You can hit each one, but this is the quick way that I have found. So you're going to hit select. You're going to hit this little check mark, and then it's going to check them all. So now you see this purple install, you want to click it. Now just hit next. Next, allow, close, and now it's asking you to open up the settings. So just click open settings. Okay, so I am going to go up to the profile downloaded. Click that. These haven't been installed yet, so this is what I want to install. Hit install, put in your password to your iPad, and you're going to install again, and then you're going to hit install again. So now it is installed, and you'll see it here in your general, and then VPN and device management. Not sure why I said design, but you'll see it's installed. So now we are going to go to our Cricut app and new project, and I will now show you the ones that I downloaded so you can see which ones you liked. I always go into the system just so I can see the ones that I've downloaded and the ones that are already installed on my iPad. So Alexia Bright, because Valentine's Day is on Monday, forgot what day it was today and what day it was on. We're going to just do Valentine's Day. So be mine. That one's cute. You can resize it. This is the Alexia Bright Sands. You can also do the Alexia Bright script. I really like this one. Hugs. Just make them bigger so you can see. Text again. I did the autumn in November. Love this one. Kisses. Yeah. And then the last one is the I Love Glitter. This one, I love it so much. Okay, so we're gonna do Valentine's Day. I'm gonna tell you why I love this. We're gonna do this right here. Look what that did. It's a little swoosh. Look how cute. You can also do, I believe it's, how do I go to it? Oh, right there. This little asterisk, little heart, cute. This one comes with a like cheat sheet on everything you can do with this one. But yeah, if this video was helpful to you, please like it and subscribe. Turn on those notifications for when new videos are posted. If there's something else you want to learn, please comment. Okay, thank you and goodbye.